Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to create a quiz from an existing quiz template and also how to upload takers from an CSV file. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll go to the quiz section. Rather than creating on the create quiz this time, I actually want to create a quiz from my existing quiz. So I want to adopt some of the features that I have already done in my previous quiz. Actually, I want to use the same content, but at this time I want to put it to my class. So I will go and click on the more option here and click on new quiz from template, and I'll say select all, but you can go ahead and select which features you want to capture in your new quiz. I'll simply say select all because I can edit anything that I want later on anyway. So here's my quiz, and this is not a sample test anymore, so I'll remove this. Well, yes, this is still a first quiz. I'm going to send it to my class, and I'll say this is quiz title as quiz 1, and this time we'll change the instructions to something more clear. All right, so I added 2 instructions here. There are 4 sections in this quiz. Review instructions for each section before answering the question. And let's go ahead and go to the next section. This is the content section. Over here, I don't want to change anything. If I don't want to change anything, I can just go ahead and click next. If I want to, improve section instructions, I can do that. In this section instruction, let me go ahead and add a formula. So I've added a formula here. The following formula may be useful for you while answering the questions in the section. Distance is equal to speed times time. And I have done this in the Mingo mode. You can also do this in LaTeX or ASCII math. And I don't want to change anything else over here. If I'm okay with everything here, I can go ahead and go to the next section. And this is a section where I'm going to upload my takers for my actual class. This was just a test quiz that I made. So I'll disregard the takers here by clicking on this red button. And this time I'll choose the file upload option. And here's the CSV file for my class. And here is my class. So I've got 3 columns in my CSV file. I've got their roll numbers, I've got their names, and I've got their email addresses. So I'll go back over here and I'll say, open this file. And it'll ask me, does your file consist of header row? Yes, my file consists of header row. Here it is, roll number, name, and email. This is the header row. I want that header row to be removed. So if I click on yes, I'll remove the header row. It says header row was removed. And I've got 7 people in my class and they all show up over here. So that's a total of 7 people in my class. And these are those 7 people. So over here, I'll go, do you want to send an email? I'll say, yes, I want to send the email to my class. I'll say, select the email column. In the email column, I'll say C. C is the email column and it's accepted. If I choose the incorrect column, let's say B, it's going to say these are not valid email IDs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set it back to C. Now, I can select username for login as either column A or column C. A is roll numbers, that is accepted. I can also select C, that also works. Email IDs are unique. But if I select a column in which we have non-unique values, for example, if I select column B, although even here column B has all the unique values, so this will be acceptable. But if you upload a column where either there are unwanted spaces or the names are not unique, it'll complain. So let's go ahead and select column A for the login usernames and column C for sending emails. Let's go ahead and click next. Let's set the timings over here. This is the timings from the previous quiz. So let me go ahead and set the timings here from tomorrow to day after. And let's go ahead and apply that. Let's keep the quiz duration to 30 minutes. Let's go next. And all these settings I inherited. If I want to keep them as it is, let's go ahead and keep them as it is. If you want to change, you can change them. Let's go ahead and click verify. And let's go and look at the changes that we made. Are they reflected? Yes, there are 7 takers in this quiz. Emails will be sent. And I've got somewhere I entered a formula in section 1 instructions, I think. And there's my formula and section 1 instructions. Overall instructions have also been changed. So everything looks okay. And these are my quiz timings. If you're not happy with any of these things, you can just go ahead and click this cross or click anywhere else. Go back and make changes. and after making changes, come back and verify. And if you're happy with everything, review one more time, go ahead and click create. And there we go. A new quiz ID has been generated for my quiz. And I have to wait for some time for this quiz to be generated. I can go back to the quiz dashboard, and it'll take a few minutes for this quiz to be generated. But after some time, this quiz will appear over here. When I come back to this quiz page later, I see this quiz has already been created. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.